Llandudno 0, Aberystwyth Town 1. I'm here with winning manager Matthew Bishop. Matt, we left that late, but what a win.
Yeah, I thought we did very well in spells today. Used the ball really well. Probably needed to be a little bit better in the final third. On another day, I think if we'd taken our chances, we might have got something else out of it. But yeah, I'm delighted. Said all the way through the season so far that it's going to be a squad game, and it proved that today with the substitutions and Johnny Evans' finish. And yeah, big 3 points for us.
Just going into that last few minutes there, we had a flurry of corners, but then that last one comes good. That's what football's all about, isn't it? Yeah, and it's something we talked about. Again, I keep saying every week, something we've talked about and we've done in training and we've worked on. And Jeff's really good at that. And luckily for us, Johnny was alive and he took his chance. I just tweeted off the club account, credit to the defence. It's a second clean sheet in a week, and I thought the back four and the keeper of standard. Just how pleasing is that for you?
I think it was a team thing. It's 2.5 games now we haven't conceded a goal. I thought the back four were immense, and obviously Dom, but also big credit to Clarkey and Sherbs in midfield as well. I thought they were immense, along with the rest of the team. And it's about putting the shift in, and it's not just about when you've got the ball; it's what you do without it. And I think we've got a strong group who want to work hard and don't like conceding goals.
We got away again this week again to Rill. They've obviously suffered an unfortunate result today, but that means nothing really in the long term.
Listen, it's just another game, at the end of the day, and we'll do our preparation as we do for any other game. They've got their threats, they've signed Carl Lamb, who's as we know at the football club is a threat, and the important thing for us is that we go there in confident mood, but we not taking anything for granted, and we're going to have to go and do a job, and hopefully we can get a result there.
Bish, many congratulations to you. Get a good Llandudno side. Enjoy your night.
Thanks, mate.